So one of the best things you can do for yourself when you are starting to get into the world of rebuilding your website or building a brand new website is use a goal-oriented approach. And that's a two-part thing. One, first and foremost, establish what the goal of this product is. So the best way to do that is put yourself in the consumer's shoes, meaning as your consumer, when I get to this site, what is the call to action? What do I need to identify as being my product or service, or contact me or buy now? Really help identify that by putting yourself in your consumer's shoes. So explore that mindset as opposed to you thinking about what you would want. Think about it in the reverse of what your customer would want and start documenting. It doesn't mean it's right, wrong, or indifferent, but it starts to put yourself in the shoes of the customers you want to attract. So establish your goal and then put yourself in the customer's shoes to see if you're going to attain that goal that you've defined. Then get into your strategies, then get into your tactics of how to get audiences to this product or your website. So goal-oriented approach will allow you to have a much more successful end result. So if you're craving more digital marketing content, subscribe to our channel below or check out our website at nvision.co.